The Integrated Research Training Group within CRC1648 offers students of natural sciences and medicine intensive foundational training and research opportunities. Practice, theory and plenty of experience at an international level. Participation is both a challenge and an opportunity for aspiring researchers.
I get to learn from everybody, my fellow PhD candidates and also the experts and group members and the PIs that we have, and it's a really energetic and supportive system over here.
Just to get an insight on how this research community works.
We have here the opportunity to really, in a way, take this whole field to the next level, and therefore I think it's like the perfect opportunity to be here.
Maura Dandri and Julian Schulze zur Wiesch head the iRTG. Without young researchers, biomedical research has no future. The CRC1648 aims to recruit the best students of natural sciences and medicine.
We want to attract highly motivated, talented young students, MD and PhD students, to the fascinating fields of infection research and in particular to the field of viral emerging diseases.
In the iRTG 1648, we want to educate the young researchers to become independent leaders in the field of emerging viral infections.
Medical and PhD students train together. The Journal Club is a regularly scheduled event. The doctoral students present interesting papers or their own research work in turn, in English of course. Speaking freely in front of colleagues here is important practice for a career in research.
The CRC community is like a family, so it's basically like presenting in front of friends and you can just explain to them what you're working on, so it's a nice exchange.
Then it's back to the lab. Each student works on their own project. Changing media of cell cultures is routine.
We do this like every second day. And in parallel, we also set up a new tonsil culture. So for our upcoming experiments that we are doing, investigating the adaptive immunity in this tonsil organoid system or the organoid system in general.
Working independently right from the start, but not alone. Mutual help is a matter, of course. And support from the experienced scientists.
I'm used to work in the lab and I can train the students working with infectious agents, can train them to develop their experimental plan, to perform preclinical study and also to develop a better model to work with infectious agents. Besides that, I'm also a woman scientist, so I had also family obligations, and I can contribute by mentoring, also by offering mentoring support to young female scientists.
We can only try to be authentic role models. So Maura being a highly successful model for professor and PhD, and myself being a physician scientist. But I think we have many good examples of PIs within the CRC that will be equally important for the education of the students.
The curriculum has coordinated models. The Journal Club for practicing scientific presentation. Specialized methodology courses that also include courses on pandemic preparedness. Hands-on experience with cutting-edge infection models and biosafety labs. Workshops, for example for biostatistics, good scientific practice, project management and presenting. Exchange with international guest speakers on research, careers and work-life integration, as well as funded lab visits to other cities. The basis is autonomous scientific work. The iRTG of the CRC 1648 shapes the future generation of virological scientists and sometimes delights their instructors.
We are very happy with the group. Whenever we meet them, they are hard-working, enthusiastic, excellent people. They astonish us every week. It's a special group.